So students, now let us see these laws to solve the problems and how we can apply these laws to solve the problems. As we have studied around 8 laws, out of that 7 laws they are given, that is a raised to power of 0 equals to 1. 8th one will be equals to a raised to power of minus n equals to 1 upon a raised to the power of n, which is the new law is coming in the 8th standard. The rest all we have studied in the 7th standard. These laws are the common laws for us. Now come to this example number 2, which says that we have to find the value of 6 raised to the power of 5 divided by 6 raised to the power of 3. Since the division sign is there, we will be using the division law, which says that if the bases are same, then the exponents are subtracted in the same order. That is numerator exponent minus denominator exponent. So same thing here, I will be applying here 6 raised to the power of 5 minus 3, which comes out to be equals to 6 square, which is equals to 36. Now example number 3, which is evaluate 24 square upon 3 square. Now as you see that here the bases are different, but we have got the same exponents. So what we are going to do, we will combine the exponents like this way, 24 upon 3 whole square. Now we'll cancel, since it is inside the bracket, we can cancel it, and it comes out to be 8, and the square of 8 comes out to be equals to 64. Now let us come to the example number 4, which says that simplify 7 raised to the power of 4 divided by 49 square. As we know that 49 is can be written as 7 square, like this way. And again the square is coming. Exponents and another exponent is coming. So what will happen, the exponents will get multiplied, and it comes out to be 7 raised to the power of 4. And since it's having a division sign, so we'll subtract it, the exponents, numerator by exponent minus denominator exponent, and the results comes out to be 7 raised to the power of 0, which is equals to how much? 1. As we have studied that a raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. Now let us come to the next example number 5. Simplify and express the answer in the exponential form. Here this is the, first of all we have to simplify, and now as we know that 25 can be written as 5 square. So we can write it, and here the bracket has been given first, so we'll solve the bracket first. That means since the exponents are same, multiplication sign is there, we'll add the exponent, and the bracket gets removed in this manner, divided by 5 cube, which comes out to be 5 raised to the power of 7 divided by 5 cube, which is equals to 7 minus 3, because the exponents are again same, having a division sign, so we'll subtract it. So now come to the example number 6. Simplify the following expressions and give your answer in the exponential form. Here, this is the expression they had given. First of all, what we'll do, we'll take all the numbers together, rearranging the like factors. Numbers are being put in one bracket. Terms of P taken in one bracket, and terms of Q also taken in one bracket. Adding their exponents if they have got the same base, and multiplying the numbers, I'm getting the results like this way. So this is the final answer. Now here the most important point, if simply Q is written here, that represents for Q raised to the power of 1 in a exponential form. Now let us come to the example number 7. Simplifying this expression once again, numbers written together, and if they are in the division sign with the same basis written together like this one and kept in a bracket, as the division is there, so this time we'll subtract it, and we have calculated, this comes out to be minus 8, and my final results comes out to be minus 8 a cube b. Now come to the question number 8. Here it says that evaluate 5 by 4 raised to the power of minus 2. As we can write it, since it's a negative exponent, so we can write it down 1 upon 5 by 4 raised to the power of 2. As we have studied in the law of exponent, the last law, which says that a raised to the power of minus n equals to 1 upon a raised to the power of n. So the complete thing has been written with the positive exponent, and on expanding this comes out to be 25 by 16, and reciprocal of 25 by 16 comes out to be 16 by 25. This is one method. What they used to say in the tips, you can see another method. It's quite a good method. We can generalize this result if it's been written a by b raised to the power of minus n. So what will be my result? it will be equals to if it is a rational number. The thing is that earlier we have stated the law if it is a whole number. Now if it is a rational number, the base is a rational number, that is a by b is a rational number. So if it is having a negative exponent, to make it positive, what we are supposed to do, we take the reciprocal of the rational number and we'll place the positive exponent. Like directly I can say that 5 by 4 raised to the power of minus 2 will be equals to how much? 4 upon 5 raised to the power of 2, which on solving comes out to be equals to 16 upon 25.